is reassurance tonight. A man accused of murdering his ex-girlfriend and her longtime friend will face a judge and jury.
Tonight, the families of Jenna Scott and Michael Swearingen have some small sense of peace after Cedric Marks escaped custody for several hours. KXAN's Brittany Glas spoke to a legal expert about what Bell County can do to make sure Marks doesn't get away again.
The man accused of killing his daughter on the run for 9 hours.
It's still tough to process. We're still grieving.
During a stop to feed the prisoners Sunday, Cedric Marks escaped the van and ran. Although back in custody, his escape is still under investigation.
Once the investigation is complete, the findings will be presented to the Montgomery County District Attorney's Office for potential charges. Retired
Judge Charlie Baird says if an inmate is going to try and escape, it's typical to try during transfers.
The fact that he made this attempt is not surprising, and the fact that he was successful is surprising, but it does happen. If it's going to happen, it's going to happen in a circumstance like this.
Baird says once they're captured, law enforcement agencies can isolate at-risk inmates.
Typically, those are the individuals who have tried to escape. They're going to make sure that they're in lockdown, that they're in their cell 23 out of the 24 hours a day, and that they're very well under tight scrutiny.
Family of the victims visited the Bell County District Attorney's Office Monday for an update. Relieved Marks will see his day in court.
It's fortunate that Jenna and Michael were found, and that it's going to move forward as a murder case, as it should. We will seek justice at some point in the future for Jenna and Michael.
Brittany Glas, KXAN News.
Marks now faces capital murder charges. He remains in Bell County Jail tonight on a $1.75 million bond. Setting a high bond amount is just one thing a judge can do when realizing a defendant like Marks is a potential flight risk.
KXAN found another of Cedric Marks' former girlfriends has been missing since 2009. We reached out to Bloomington Police in Minnesota. They say Marks is still a person of interest in the disappearance of April Pease. Marks and Pease have a child together. Her missing persons case is still considered active and open.